allowed on board. Keep all hands on seat right inside the vessel at all times.
Welcome aboard the Admiral Joe Fowler. Directly across from the Magic Kingdom. Reminiscent perhaps of some of the adaptations of The Great Gatsby. Although here the light is in the foreground as opposed to the very far background, in which this case Cinderella's castle will take that honor. Northern breeze coming tonight across the Seven Seas Lagoon as we get ready to disembark. It's Monday, February 16th. We're going to go to the Magic Kingdom to watch Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. I think we're going to go eat some salmon as well at the Columbia Harbor House. I've heard good things. Still allowing some more passengers aboard. There, of course, the signature resort of Walt Disney World, the flagship resort, Grand Floridian. Looking quite beautiful at evening with all the lights. In front of us here, we have the Polynesian bungalows. Primarily for Disney Vacation Club members. And of course over here we have one of the newest Disney Vacation Club additions to the Walt Disney World community. And that's going to be a tower at the Polynesian Resort here. So not enough wind to kick the windsock up in the air. See a little movement, of course. Changing our light tones, and off we go aboard the Admiral Joe Fowler. Yes, a chilly evening here. Not all that bad. Nighttime appearance of the Polynesian is at least a little bit more fitting than what you see in the daytime. It still is a little too square, just as far as the angles of the different floors and all that. It should be perhaps a little bit more resemblant of the traditional Polynesian resort. sister ship. We pass each other here in the middle of the lagoon. So you gotta wait. You're on a boat. You gotta wait. Quite the view with Space Mountain Cinderella's castle. We'll be walking right into the Starlight Parade as we throttle down here. Approximately 100 yards from the dock. We have some resort nautical traffic as well. We headed towards the Fort Wilderness Lodge area, or one or the other. The monorail creeping behind it. Enough wind to disturb your camera mounting.
And the captain has given the all clear. Because this is a free floating vessel, we do have a tendency to
Say with the wind chill, we're well into the low 50s.
We ask that you please clear the stairway. Everyone else, please
We're about 50 yards from shore.
Once again, please clear the stairway. We'll be given an all clear for the safe travel stairs and grocery. Por favor, manténganse alrededor de las escaleras.
We are about 20 yards from dock. Coming in nicely. After some reverse thrust, continue some momentum forward. I estimate at about 40 feet per minute. And our final meeting place here, the Magic Kingdom. I think in lieu of a lot of recent activity outside of Florida here, as far as ferry boats, it seems to be a little bit more safety and precaution with these approaches. This has been a very precision approach here. We are coming into the dock nicely, and very perfect meeting here with the dock. All clear has been given.
All right, folks.
All ashore, going ashore. This completes our ferry journey across the Seven Seas Lagoon. Still breezy out here in front of the Magic Kingdom. Excuse me. We suspect that'll dissipate getting into the park. Welcome to the most magical place on Earth, or at least one quadrant of it. I do enjoy correcting guests when they say this is the happiest place on Earth, and I say, I think you're mistaken, because that's in California. I made reference to this before. Walt Disney World is the most magical place on Earth. Happiest place on Earth would be Disneyland. There is that distinction. Still being made. This used to be Walt Disney World where dreams come true. Now it's the most magical place on Earth. So I'm thinking about food. I was thinking about going to get salmon. Now I'm thinking like a corn dog. Yeah, maybe salmon. Getting ready for Starlight, Dream the Night Away. You can see we have a 7:45 p.m. parade tonight. I believe there's also one at 10 p.m. It's a very good parade. I highly recommend it. Of course, they're occasionally bringing back the old, more grayish castle, piece by piece. So, what we do, of course, I forgot any coupons to get a Mickey bar. That's where I should start. It's funny. Before I started working at Sleepy Hollow, anytime I went to Magic Kingdom, I always, and I mean always, went into Tomorrowland as soon as I got here. So now, because I'm thinking about getting a corn dog, I'm also thinking about getting a Mickey bar right now. But like now, I've kind of learned this little cut through that takes you right to Sleepy Hollow just before you get into Adventureland. And then with the castle here, and then right in front of me at like, all of a sudden I'm at Sleepy Hollow. I didn't really know like Sleepy Hollow was like sort of on this side of the castle. I'm meaning the food stand that's kind of right in front of me here. So it's like, I always felt like Sleepy Hollow was, you know, way in the back of the park. So anyway, let's see what we got going on over here. Where you can get your funnel cake, corn dogs, waffles.
What's on the reservation?
I see a bunch of friends here. let's do a food review. This is the fruit berry waffle from Sleepy Hollow. We're trying to finish this fast so I can go watch the parade. So we followed Starlight to the end, past Pecos Bills. My goal now is to go to Monsters Inc. For me, it used to be no visit to Magic Kingdom was complete without a Monsters Inc. laugh floor visit. Here we are in Adventureland. Just heard somebody talking about the spring rolls. I have to give them another shot. I thought the pepperoni was okay. I haven't tried the cheeseburger spring rolls. I've not done an official food review. Speaking of official reviews, I think I've already done a Tiki Room. Yeah, I don't exactly have all night. This laugh floor, what time is it? Yeah, it's about 8:30. I would love to do the Tiki Room right now. I'm just gonna do the laugh floor and call it a night. I was thinking about doing a treehouse walkthrough at night, because I haven't done that. I should be able to walk through this rather quickly, in fact. So let's do a nighttime walkthrough. Walking back through Adventureland. Here's Skipper Canteen. I hear the Skippers are entertaining there. You know, like they act very much like the Skippers on the Jungle Cruise, so they'll make some jokes and stuff. Exit Adventureland back into the hub. Crystal Palace to our right. A long time since I've eaten there. So again, Monsters Inc. is our destination. The laugh floor. I think it is a top 5 attraction for me. This is a list that always updates. For me, number one and 2 haven't wavered for quite a long time. Festival of the Lion King being 1. Number 2 being Tower of Terror. As far as just my favorite, you know, if you want to debate best and favorite and all that, but my favorite is Festival of the Lion King. Look at this crowd in the hub. And then Tower of Terror 2. It's hard to rank. Like Guardians of the Galaxy has crept its way in. Haunted Mansion has always been in that top 5 for me. I mean, I'd have to put Rise of the Resistance in there. And Turtle Talk to me is always extremely enjoyable. I mean, those might be my top 5. Tower of Terror, and not in this order. The Festival of the Lion King, Tower of Terror, Haunted Mansion, Turtle Talk, Rides of the Resistance, and Guardians of the Galaxy. So that's 6 rides right there. Somebody's got to go. 6 attractions. They're not all rides.
It's a fireworks. What's the fireworks?
Welcome to Tomorrowland. It's not the Tomorrow. And I grew up to the entrance in here. And I still haven't gotten used to it. Looks to me they may have changed the entry protocol. They've partitioned the pre-show. In we go.
Interactive show, but it's funny.
If something is funny, call the CDA hotline and we'll be there in a flash. We know comedy is hard, so now the CDA is here to help, ready to drop in on a moment's notice to scientifically find and evaluate your
3.8 gigawatt. 4.7 gigawatt. 7, 8, 9, 8.3 gigawatt.
pages are available day and night.
So man, ventriloquists are never funny.
The future of energy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA. We take comedy seriously.
Factory in the monster world. Okay, the only laugh factory in the monster world, but definitely the best. We're home to the funniest monsters that ever roamed Monstropolis. Just a few short years ago, our world was powered by your screams. And we at Monsters Incorporated would go door to door and collect those screams from kids all over the world. It was simple. The more screams from you, the more power for us. But then I discovered that human laughter was 10 times more powerful than scream. Whoa! So we got out of the scare business, and now we're making money with the ha-ha. Now this you're gonna love. Instead of sending monsters into your world, I came up with a brilliant idea of the laugh world, where we invite you into our world, not to be scared, but to laugh. Oh please, don't be scared to laugh. Laugh as if an entire city were depending on it. Because it is, as is my job. No pressure, don't worry. We're generating more energy with human laughter than we ever did with scream. So don't you worry, there's nothing here that'll scare you. What's that? Roz, why do you always have to do that? It's a hobby. Now what were you blabbering about, Wazowski? I was just telling the humans that we're acting their laughter these days, not their screams. Call me sentimental, but I still miss the screaming. We'll be opening the doors in just about 3 minutes, but for now, here's a taste of the sophisticated, highbrow humor that awaits you inside. Hold that tape, Wazowski. I've been tough on you and I feel so bad. So to make it up to you, I've assembled clips of your best work. Really? I can't wait. Play us! why we have.
So the Monsters Inc. show was canceled because there weren't enough audience members. Typical Charlie Brown stuff for me. And then when People Mover closes at 9, so Charlie Brown. That's it. And that means that tomorrow I'll be Charlie Brown. I'll give an example on my channel tomorrow. I will be Charlie Brown. There'll be some traffic backup or something like that tomorrow. My car won't start. We'll keep you abreast. This is a shared area, meaning that most of the time it's backstage. Right now it is on stage. Excuses crowd flow. You don't want to do this during daytime because there's no merchandise along the path here. Actually, this is kind of an undiscovered spot to watch the parade. The magic isn't the same every time. It keeps you coming back. Hopefully next time it'll be better. This wasn't there this evening. Yeah, we'll try. Get over it.
You are that what you have become. Remember who you are.
Did you give that lady any money?
I can't hear you, honey.
Look at all the boats. Boats for days.